I got into mechatronics first because of my dad. He was a teacher at Spartanburg Community College and also worked in industry. He saw early on that this is where the world was going, that these were the jobs that were going to be in demand. So early I got pushed into Daniel Morgan because that was our technical school. I found that mechatronics would be the right career path for me. At Spartanburg Community College, I'm getting a mechatronics degree. It's a 2-year degree. Having an associate degree in South Carolina is good because early on, I think everyone was pushed to go to a 4-year degree route. That led us to have a shortage in the skilled workers, and that's where we're lacking now, and so that's where I see it picking up. And South Carolina, particularly in the upstate, is doing a very good job of getting the industries in here, like BMW and Benteler and all these corporations, and not only are they getting here, but South Carolina is filling the jobs. We're getting everybody somewhere to where they'll be set up and successful in life through industry.